Introducing our baked crab with vermicelli in clay pot. The ingredients are 1 sea crab, 450 to 500 grams, 2 cups of soaked and cut vermicelli, 250 grams, ½ cup sliced leaf lard or bacon, 80 grams, ½ teaspoon granulated salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1½ teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1½ teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon sweet black soy sauce, 1 teaspoon fragrant chili, 4 slices old ginger, 10 grams, 5 coriander roots, 5 grams, ½ cup chicken broth, 2 stalks of green onion cut into 7.5 cm long pieces, 10 grams, 1 spring celery cut into 2.5 cm long pieces, 2 grams, 10 cloves garlic. Rinse the crab and chop into 6 pieces. Add the granulated salt, black pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil, and marinate the crab for 15 minutes. Combine the fragrant chili, old ginger, coriander root, garlic, and leaf lard or bacon into a bowl. Place the bowl in and press microwave 600 watt and enter 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Combine the vermicelli, broth, oyster sauce, sugar, sweet black soy sauce, green onions, celery, and mixed crab. Close the lid and place the bowl in the microwave oven. Press microwave 600 watt and enter 6 to 10 minutes to start cooking. After cooking, mix the dish thoroughly and serve.